Hey guys, happy Saturday.
Saturday?
I mean Friday.
Friday.
You said yes. And we're waiting to go to Sendo, which is a new Omakase place that just opened. And the reason why we're staying in the car is because we're waiting for commercial vehicle only time to end.
6 o'clock.
Due to Mika's bad luck, he's been getting tickets, so we're trying to avoid that as much as possible. And then we'll just head over and eat sushi. Verdict, what's the verdict?
Did they put sweetener here? Hey.
And we are here because we are waiting for Sendo.
Yes.
It's an hour away right now.
Supposedly, hour 45.
Supposedly.
But it's fine. It's gonna be worth it. We got green tea. Good.
That's fine.
It was from her, we were like, we gotta, there were tears involved.
Okay, so we just finished Omakase.
Yeah.
I would definitely rate it. How would you rate it? The price is so
The price and quality
good.
of price say 7.5.
Really?
8.5.
I would put 8, 8.9. It felt like rushed for sure,
Yeah.
but I think that's how they are able to send so many people
And make that money.
and make that money, is they just have to keep rotating people over. There's no res. You have to be on a wait list. There's a wait.
They say an hour and a half, but it's not.
Yeah, so it really depends on when people actually finish their food. Yeah, but it's pretty good. I would definitely go back again. And they also do takeout sushi. Oh, we forgot to review Sushi by Bo. So what do you rate it?
It's my favorite. With the black sauce. Just sweet, sour. Tofu garlic sauce. Thank you.
Sushi by Beli. So what do you rate it?
9.8 out of 10.
9.8, girl.
Yeah, because of the experience and the service.
Fun fact.
Whoever rates food is all.
He never used to like sushi until he met me. So I'm a big partaker to his food tastes now. Yes. Because he actually has taste now.
Yeah, I've always had taste.
No. I think I would rate as 9.2.
9.2?
Yeah. And they had really good signature pieces that made us want to order another round, basically. I would definitely recommend Sushi by Beli.
I spent way too much money yesterday.
No regrets.
No, I had a Big Mac.
We had the Big Mac. I think I ordered the surf and turf twice. And he ordered the miso cod. Miso cod apparently is the most popular piece.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's what he said.
Oh, that's why my
And shout out to our sushi chef, Brian.
From Jamaica. Jamaica Queens, not Jamaica the island.
I'll put a Google review, don't worry. Okay, so we got a lot of stuff. We have the Omakase plate and the nigiri plate. And it's actually really cool because we just walked in. You know, we didn't really have to have a reservation. And it's also a kitchen, so they also have other menu items like soft shell crab, which we ordered, and other Japanese entrees as well. Wow. I like the sauce.
With garlic, salmon with roasted tomatoes, a strip black with pickled wasabi and mixture, Japanese pickle with lemon juice and sea salt, cured codfish with orange marmalade, and then the strip bass with and then the spicy king salmon with haluga caviar and gelato with and the salmon toro with roasted tomatoes. This was 1,000 shimaji.
Take your rolls, take your rolls.
Video.
And tuna piece. Cheers. This tuna roll is so good.
The fish to rice ratio is good.
Yeah. Rice is barely existing. Hot.
And you get to pick the pieces.
Fatty. Spicy tuna. Hey guys, we also ordered dessert. We ordered mochi and ice cream, and she said it was really good, so he decided to order mochi. Got the matcha ice cream. Alright, what do we think of
It was
IWAK?
good.
IWAK is really good.
Really good. We found out the servers and the workers there are Indonesian, so
Indonesian, so you gotta support our local Indos. But overall, I think it's like a good 8.5.
Yeah.
The prices aren't bad either. So my omakase plate was only $37, and his omakase, an actual omakase, was like $62. And it came with a hand roll, so we were slumped. We were full. Yeah, totally recommend all these good omakase places for sure. Let's see if I film more restaurant vlogs coming up. Alright, thanks for watching.
Peace.
Brooklyn, the Williamburg, the Burg of Williams.